Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find personalization. Let's tap on it. Right here we've got this whole wallpaper section where we've got albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got AI wallpaper generator, so basically you can generate your own wallpaper. Here we've got static wallpapers, so those which are pre-installed on this device, online wallpapers, and if you've got the internet connection and after logging into the TECNO account, you will be able to download specific wallpapers and apply them. Let me go back, or our own gallery, so of course you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. So all you have to do is to simply find the wallpaper and then tap on it. So I'll pick this one, just tap on it, and now we can tap on set. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.